pro tip, when you go to one of these food stalls or coffee stalls, you want to go to the one that has a long line of people.
Go to the one that has Thai tea and soy milk.
Yeah. All right, one of the first things we did when we came to Chiang Mai is look for a place where we could get organic vegetables. Because even though a lot of the videos we show is us eating kind of comfort food, we do try to eat healthy, and we like to search out organic food. And this market has it, along with a lot of souvenirs and crafts and handmade clothes. So we went through the food area and we did find something that looked interesting, some kind of sticky rice with coconut. All right, so this came wrapped in a banana leaf, and let's see how I'm not sure how to eat this. Let's try it. And it's got sticky rice, which means it's gonna be sweet and have some sugar in there. Okay. There's a lot of layers. All right, oh, check it. Let's see if we can eat it like this. All right, I think I got to it. I'll be honest, it tastes mainly like sweet rice. I don't taste the coconut yet. Maybe it's farther in there, but as a sticky rice, it's good. First full day in Chiang Mai, and what do we do? 2 markets. We started out at a morning market, and now we're at the largest night market in Chiang Mai. It's only on Sundays, and the market goes for an entire kilometer. It's about a half mile in one direction. It sure feels like longer than that, but then every cross street, you look back and forth, it goes as far as the eye can see that direction as well. So this place is so big, and we just want to stroll around and see if we can catch every bit of it. Of course, there's a lot of food. Maybe we'll find some snacks, but yeah, this is a pretty unique night market. What a great first day in Chiang Mai. We took tuk-tuks all over the place. We had good food. We checked out some of those markets, and we just have so much more we're going to do over the next 4 weeks here in Chiang Mai. So stay tuned for a lot of really cool things to come. So we came to this waterfall called Huai Kaeo, I think that's how you pronounce it. And one thing I love is to see if I can climb up as far as I can on a waterfall. But these rocks were so slippery, I couldn't do it, and I slid halfway back down again and decided that, nope, not worth it. So I think we're gonna have to be happy with pictures from down here, but man, what a gorgeous place. There's a little nature trail by this waterfall going pretty far up, and oh, we're rewarded with this amazing view of Chiang Mai. You can see how it's a valley in between a bunch of mountains. And the mountains are where all the cool waterfalls are, so we're really going to try and find more of these over the course of the next few weeks. Okay, it's the next morning and we're taking one of the red buses. I forget what they're called, like a Song Thiao bus. It's like a truck with it. You just hop in the back and tell them where you want to go. And then, we're going to a Thai cooking class today. Yeah, this is a 4-hour class and we're going to make some traditional Thai dishes. So it's going to be a fun day.
It. Sticky.
This one is masaman, the sour from lime or tamarind. See, saucy. Yes.
All right.
Thank you for coming to my class. Hope you can cook at home, prep everything, doing everything by yourself. But don't forget 4S, important. That is my theory, my model to make the food with the tasty food, like a healthy food. And don't forget steam. Okay. Is life.
Thank you.
Thank you.